Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to turn on package tracking in Gmail on your PC. With this feature enabled, you can conveniently track the status of your packages directly from your Gmail inbox. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Gmail. Step 2. On the top, click Settings. Look for the gear icon located at the top right corner of the Gmail interface. Click on it to access the settings menu. Step 3. Click See All Settings. A drop-down menu will appear after clicking on the gear icon. Select See All Settings to access the full settings page. Step 4. Next to package tracking, enable the checkbox. Scroll down the settings page until you find the package tracking section. You will see a checkbox next to it. Click on the checkbox to enable package tracking. By enabling package tracking in Gmail, you'll receive real-time updates on the status and location of your packages, making it easier to keep track of your deliveries. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks to optimize your Gmail experience on your PC. Happy tracking!